the spirit of unity with malasakit and collaboration. This year's foundation anniversary theme is Rooted in Compassion, Growing in Excellence, Resonating in Community. Rooted in Compassion highlights the importance of malasakit, of empathy, and understanding in healthcare. That care should not only be clinical, but deeply human, prioritizing the needs of our patients and their support groups, their families. Growing in excellence is our commitment to continuously deliver the highest standard of care. It is evident in having state-of-the-art equipment, having our skilled and competent staff, and dedicated leaders that steered everyone to enhance patient outcomes and ensure quality healthcare. Resonating in Community focuses on the collective impact that health is not an individual journey, but a communal responsibility. We build community trust and create meaningful relationships by ensuring that care is personal and responsive. Having the patient support groups help build a healthier, more informed community. The presence and active participation of our patient support groups, ably guided by our compassionate medical social workers, are essential in the creation of the different patient leaders organizations. Their lived experiences, their unique perspectives, and their invaluable insights into the realities of patient needs, preferences, and challenges they face provide crucial guidance to enhancing our approach to care delivery. Today, we are here to listen, to learn, and to understand the entire patient journey, from initial consultation to ongoing care and support, and to engage and empower everyone to be part of the MMMH and MC mandate and health advocacies. To the organizing committee of the photo exhibit, Dr. Francisco Renada III, the trade fair led by Mr. Diego Ofiasa, and the Timpuyog Summit led by Dr. Sachi Yumol, Ms. Maria Fidelis Hermano, and the Department of Social Service headed by Ms. Evangeline Cid. To all departments that wholeheartedly participated in the exhibit, thank you for your resilience in making this event possible. To our patients, marami pong nag-donate at naghanda